Class, how are you?
I am fine.
You all are fine?
Yes, miss.
Okay, students, today we will study monocot and dicot. Okay?
Yes, miss.
What we will study?
Monocot and dicot.
Monocot and dicot. Before explaining monocot and dicot, I will tell you about types of plants. There are two types of plants: flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Okay?
Yes, miss.
There are two types of plants: flowering plants and
Non-flowering plants.
non-flowering plants. Flowering plants are those who bears flowers. Okay?
Yes.
Flowering plants are those who bears flowers. Those plants which have not flowers are called non-flowering plants. Okay? Now monocot and dicot are subtypes of flowering plants. Monocot and dicot are subtypes of
Flowering plants.
flowering plants. Monocot and dicot are subtypes of flowering plants. Now I will explain you monocot and dicot through this chart. Here are some pictures which I have pasted. This is the cotyledon. Monocot and dicots have cotyledons. Monocot means one. Mono means
One.
one. Mono means
One.
And di means
Two.
two. Di means
Two.
Now from here we will understand from mono and di that monocot plants will have one cotyledon and dicot plants will have
Two cotyledons.
Okay?
Yes, miss.
Monocot plants have one cotyledon and dicot plants have
Two cotyledons.
Now I will show you some example. I have brought some grains. This is a rice grain. This is a rice grain. Rice grain, if you can see it clearly. If I will break it, it will not be divided into two halves. Okay?
Yes.
It will remain one. So it is monocot and it has one cotyledon. So this is yellow lantern. Is it if I will break it, it will divide it into two or one? One. Okay. So it is monocot or dicot. But it is monocot. But it is monocot. Now this is kidney beans. If I will break it into two, it will divide it into two halves. It will divide it into two halves. Okay? It will divide it into two halves. So it is dicot. This is gram bean. If I will break it, it will divide it into two halves or one half? Two halves. It will divide it into
Two halves.
So it is monocot or dicot? Dicot. I have divided into two halves. Okay? So it is dicot. Di mean
Two.
mono means
One.
okay. If a plant have one cotyledon, it is monocot. If a plant have two cotyledons, it is dicot. Peas monocot or dicot? Divided.
Dicot.
Dicot. Divided. If you will divide it,
Two.
break it. Two halves of
Yes.
comes out.
Yes.
Two halves are come out from it.
Dicot.
So it is
Dicot.
dicot. Okay. Clap for Laika. Okay. We have cleared this point.
Yes, miss.
Now next point is leaves. Structure of leaves will be monocot veins usually parallel and dicot leaves are usually net-like structure. I will explain through it. These are leaves. You can see it. This leaf has net-like structure. You are seeing this?
Yes.
What structure is net-like? It is?
Net-like.
It is monocot, dicot, sorry. It is dicot. Okay, this plant is, these leaves are parallel veins.
Yes.
These leaves have parallel veins. So this is monocot. Okay?
Yes.
You understand the difference between leaves of monocot and dicot?
Yes.
Dicot leaves have veins usually net-like and monocot leaves usually veins parallel. Okay. Next is floral parts usually in multiples of 4 or 5 and floral parts usually in multiples of 3. Okay. Okay, floral parts usually in multiples of 4 or 5 and monocots have floral parts usually in multiples of 3. Now I am giving you a flower. You will count the petals of this flower and tell me, is it monocot or dicot?
It is dicot. It has 15 petals.
Count.
It has 15 petals. It is dicot plant.
Okay, clap for Isham. Now tell me, how many petals of this flower? 3. Is it monocot or dicot?
Monocot.
Monocot. Okay. Examples of monocot are daffodils and tulips. Okay.
Yes.
Now I will give you a plant. What is this?
Lemon plant.
What is this?
Lemon plant.
Lemon plant. Okay. Now you tell me, what is this? Monocot or dicot?
Dicot.
How? Cut it and show to me.
Miss, it is dicot.
Okay, how it is dicot? Because
Two plant.
2 cotyledons. It have 2 cotyledons. Okay. Now I will give you some leaves. You tell me about this difference between these leaves. Okay.
Yes.
You tell me about the difference. Is this monocot or dicot?
Monocot.
How?
This how it have one
Veins like parallel or net like?
Miss net like. It's parallel.
Veins are parallel. So this is monocot.
Monocot.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Now you tell me. This is monocot or dicot?
Dicot.
How? Because veins are.
Veins are net like.
Okay. Do you understand?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Thank you, students.